Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome to Moving to Lake Wylie. Today, I'm taking you inside Hardy Pond, a brand new community by David Weekley Homes that's just outside of Lake Wylie. This community offers both townhomes and single-family homes. So if you're looking for a new built home between Lake Wylie and Rock Hill, this could be what you're looking for. Now, let's get to it. Let's start with location, because this is one of the biggest reasons buyers are drawn to Hardy Pond. You're just a few miles from Ebenezer Park, Lake Club Marina, and Winthrop University, which are all within about 5 miles of the community. Head a little further and you're within 6 miles of Cherry Park, the Rock Hill Sports and Event Center, and downtown Rock Hill, which is really grown with local shops, breweries, and restaurants. And if you enjoy trails and outdoor recreation, Riverwalk and other local attractions are within about 8 miles. For commuters, Hardy Pond gives you easy access to Charlotte via I-77, so getting into the city for work or a night out isn't a hassle. You're also close to Piedmont Medical Center, and students in this community attend Rock Hill schools. Single-family homes at Hardy Pond start at $545,000, and they are offered in a mix of 2-story and ranch-style plans. So whether you want a one-level layout or more square footage with a second story, there are options to fit different stages of life. These homes come with professionally curated exterior colors, durable Hardy plank siding that's backed by a 50-year limited transferable warranty, and dimensional roof shingles with a 30-year manufacturer's warranty. Inside, you will find 10-foot ceilings on the first floor, luxury vinyl plank flooring that's throughout the main living areas, and the kitchens are finished with 42-inch birch stained cabinets, granite countertops, and a full stainless steel Refrigerator appliance package. The owner's suite includes a walk-in shower with a tile surround, a Venetian marble vanity top, and a private bathroom. I get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you who are looking for new construction around Lake Wylie. If you're liking what you see and you want more information on Hardy Pond or other new construction communities in the area, click the link in the description box below to grab your free Moving to Lake Wylie guide, or you can go ahead and book a call with me so that we can talk through your options. And if you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're ready to get started, let's schedule a time to chat about what you're looking for. You can find my booking link in the description box below. If you're looking for something a little more low maintenance, the townhomes at Hardy Pond start in the 299s and range from 1,458 square feet up to over 1,531 square feet. Townhome living here means less exterior makeup, no mowing the lawn every weekend, no worrying about the roof or siding on your own, which makes it a great fit for first-time homebuyers, empty nesters who are ready to simplify, or relocating professionals who want a lock-and-leave lifestyle. These townhomes include 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, luxury vinyl plank and tile flooring, and kitchens have a 36-inch master brand cabinets, granite countertops, and the same stainless steel Frigidaire appliance package. The owner's bath features an oversized 42 by 60 shower and a Venetian marble vanity top with undermount sinks. Both collections carry David Weekley's Environments for Living Gold certification, with high-efficiency HVAC systems, sound-dampening vinyl windows, and enhanced insulation. So whichever collection you choose, you're getting the same commitment to energy efficiency and the same builder reputation for quality and communication. The HOA for Hardy Pond is $131 a month, with a one-time capital contribution fee of $1,000 that's due at closing. That fee helps maintain the community's shared spaces and amenities, And for townhome owners, it typically covers exterior maintenance as well. So who is Hardy Pond best for? Hardy Pond is best for those who tend to gravitate for the single family collection. I see growing families and move up buyers who want more space, a yard, and room to spread out. For the townhomes, I see first time buyers ready to stop renting, empty nesters ready to downsize, and relocating buyers who want something move-in ready without a long list of upkeep. Either way, you're getting new construction, a strong builder warranty, and a location close to the lake, local parks, Winthrop University, and an easy drive into Charlotte. Here's my final thoughts. Hardy Pond gives you a rare combination: new construction across 2 different collections, real included features, and a location that puts you close to the lake, Charlotte, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're drawn to the single-family homes starting at $545,000 or the townhomes starting in the $299s, this community is definitely worth a visit. Whether you're moving across the country or just across Charlotte, it is never too early or too late to get started. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.